Hi, welcome to another Teach Me Tuesday. Today I have a recipe for you that is a healthy version of a chocolate chip muffin. So whether you have picky eaters or you're pressed for time in the morning, this muffin will make you feel better even if there are chocolate chips in it. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to make it. Here are the finished chocolate chip muffins that you shouldn't feel so bad about serving because they're packed full of yogurt and bran. So whether it's an after-school snack or a quick bite on your way to work, you should try this recipe. They smell fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe below for more great videos like these. See you soon. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.